So I'm just going to do some 4x4 examples using the Yau method. Currently, using the Yau method, I'm averaging around 45 seconds. My personal best is 44:33, but I don't do averages often, so really I'm averaging about 45. So yeah, this is just going to be how I solve 4x4 using the Yau method. A little note just before I begin and stuff. I do use some left-handed algorithms, so it might be a little confusing to those of you that use right-handed algorithms. I don't know why I learned how to do left-handed finger tricks, but that's just how I did it. Anyway, so I always start with my white or yellow centers. So the first thing I see is this white bar here, and then the other two whites are there and there. So it's not really that great. I could pair them up by doing an R prime and then a U prime, and then I have to do a U2 to insert it into the top. And then the two yellows are. I also have two yellows here paired up, and the other two yellows are here and here. So I'd probably go for the yellows here. Yeah. So I do a D prime like that, then U2, then pair these up, U, bring them down. And then to pair up these two white ones, because I have the white center opposite, I would do R, U, R prime, and that connects them. And I noticed I have this edge already in, so, and I already have this bar that I preserved as well, so that's really easy. Just insert that, and this edge is preserved. So then I'll go on to the next edge, and I see this white and blue here, and this white and blue here, so that's just that, and then I can insert it here. And then I see the two white and oranges here, so that's, and then I can pair them up, and then insert them next to the blue. I have this green bar here, and this red bar here. So I pair up the other two greens, like that, and then bring the green bar next to it. And then really easy red case. And then for the blues, that's just that. And I have this edge and this edge. That's my final edge here. So I do a U prime, and then a left-handed flip, like that, and then a U. And then I'll insert that into the bottom. And I have these two orange and green edges, so I do a U and the lefty flip, and I have the two red and whites, and I'm doing 3-2-3 here, edge pairing, and then the two white and, yellow and blues, U prime, and then those three edges are solved. This one, that one, that one. Now, I see the red and green here, these two red and greens, and I'll insert it into the left. Keep note of this one, and this one is yellow-orange. Here's the other yellow-orange, so I'll insert that. I slice back, creates that pair. Now I have these two, blue and oranges, just insert it, and then the blue and red, I would probably do something like that. And then just 3x3 stage, which I suck at. So yeah, that's one example. Alright, so scramble number 2 is also pretty easy looking right off the bat. Actually, it's not really that great. Now I have this yellow bar here and this white bar here, but the white centers are really awkward. The other two white centers are here and here, and that's really awkward. And then the other two yellow centers are here and here, and that's even more awkward. So I'm gonna do white. That's just U prime, so that these two are set up like that, and then insert it next to the other bar. I have this bar preserved from that, so I'll just insert that and pair up these other two yellows, that one and that one. Just that, and then I'll insert it. And now I notice that I have this pair already made, so I'll insert that, and I'd probably go for the white and blues, which is here and here, and yeah, and then the two white and reds here. Now I'd go for orange here, so that's just these three here and that one, so I can do that. Now for the greens, I have this one here, and so I'll pair those two up, insert them, and now I'll just pair the last two up. And then for the reds, that's just that. Now I'll do an F, and then I'll bring this white and green here, and I'll do a U. The other white and green's back here, so I'll just take that out, insert it here, so that when I slice back, it makes the pair. Put it in the bottom, and then line up the cross. Now I would see this yellow and orange and that yellow and orange. Put those next to each other, and the blue and red here, and orange green, and then here's the other orange green right here. Do prime. Now I'll pair these red and yellows up. Then there's the two blue and yellows, so that's just that. Now I see these two are the same and these two are the same, so I'll do F, I'll do this thing, U, and then flip and slice back. And then 3x3 stage. Okay, as well. Alright, this will probably be the last one that I do. So there's like nothing in this scramble. Like, even if I was doing color neutral, even if I was just doing regular reduction, I wouldn't see anything because I have like no center bars. So I'd probably I'm gonna line this one up with that one, and I can also line. So I'll do U prime, so that when I line these two up, it'll also line these two up, like that, U2, and then insert this bar. Instead of just doing R2, insert that bar, I'll do R, and that connects that, so I'll move that out of the way, and then insert it. Now I just have these two here, and that's just that, insert it. Now let's do white and oranges, which are here and here, so L, D, and then pair them up, insert it. Now, I'd see the white and green here, but then I'd switch to the white and reds, because I see they're right here. And then I can just pair those up and put them opposite. Now I have the white and blues here and here. That's just that. Now I have this blue bar, and I know there's a blue here, blue there, so I'll pair up the two blues, insert them. Then I'd probably insert this orange block like that, because I know my orange goes here. And then here's the other two oranges. So put them in. Sorry. And this green bar, and then just connect the other two greens. Now I do an F like that, because that'll set that up for these two up for a pair. And then I'd probably do that. So that way when I do U prime, I can just do R2 and then insert it. So now, U, these two pieces, and this yellow and orange, and then the other yellow and orange is back here, so that's, take it out, insert it there. And then I noticed that the other piece here is here, so these two, and I can't just take that out, because that would also mess up this pair here. So what I'm going to do is, I see this is the the yellow and blue. So I'll do U2, I'll put the other yellow blue here, and then I'll slice back. And that gives me, yeah, so, now I see that these two are the same and these two are the same. So what I'd probably do is, this, so I'd rotate so it's like that. Insert this, because I have two pairs on the top, and it's going to be really awkward for me if I just flip, and then I have to insert these two and then flip again. So what I'm going to do is U, insert this unmatched pair, U2. I know the red and yellow is back here, so I have to insert the other red and yellow here. And then slice back, and that's my edges. Then I'll just do 3x3 stage. Wow, that 3x3 stage was insane. Anyway, so that's pretty much what I do for 4x4. Sorry, the angle's not that great. The cube is a, just in case you're wondering, I think I might have said this already, but I'm not sure. But the cube is a version 5 Shank Shell. Stickers are just Z Brights from 51 More Fun, and no mods or anything. Just yeah. And I lubed it with Z Lube and Lubix. Yeah. That's pretty much what I do for 4x4. Using this method, I'm currently averaging, like I said, around 45. My personal best single is 36, and I've gotten a few sub 40s. Quite a few sub 40s actually. So yeah, that's it.